Alright, I'm going to do an unboxing of the ionvac. I just happened to go to Walmart today. Wasn't going to buy a vacuum cleaner. Ours did quit probably 2 months ago. I just kind of picked it up to see what the price was. There's no price on it. There's a Walmart associate there. She's like, hey, there's a really good deal on that. And I'm like, well, what is it? It's like it's on sale for $50. I was like, $50? Let's try it. So it's nice having a vacuum cleaner clean your house. So let's unbox this bad boy. Looks like a 2000 PA section. This is a super slim 100-minute run time, 600 ml gestation, auto charging, and schedule cleaning. And it does have Wi-Fi connected app remote control also, and it says it works with Google Assist. Let's see what this bad boy looks like. I didn't look it up or anything. I'm usually pretty good at looking at reviews, so after $50, I'll try it. I'll review it in a month or two to see how it's doing. We do have a couple dogs, so it is nice to have one of these. You wouldn't believe how much air is in your house till you have one of these, and it's vacuuming every single day. Live simplified, it says. There's a code to download the app. Let's see what it comes with. Directions. Cleaner. A knife. Probably cut the long hairs or whatever out of the vacuum cleaner. Comes with 2 AA batteries. Plug in. Filter. I wonder if there's already a filter in there. It would be nice if there is. And I believe that's it, says the vacuum cleaner. Oh, how many brushes does this thing take? So it takes 2 brushes. It does come with 2 extra ones. Got 4 of them. Now them are really soft. Oh, it comes with a remote too. I don't believe my last one came with a remote. My last one, it is a pretty nice. I'm trying to think of what the name of it was. It had mapping of your house and everything else where you can have areas. I'm not sure if this will do that. I'm assuming not because it doesn't have the eye on top, so this thing's probably just going to go all over the place. But it's better than nothing. Clean your house while you're gone at work. Vacuum it up. It is pretty slim, I think. I'm trying to remember what my last one looked like, how big it was. All right. That comes with the charger. That's it. I will look to see if it has a filter in it. Insert. Huh. Not for sure. Oh, here we go. There for a second, I thought, looking at this side, I thought I was going to take the screws out to change the filter on it, but there is a door here. And it does have a filter already in it. So it comes with an extra filter. That's nice. There's a troubleshooting guide on the bottom of it. It's kind of nice. It has like a 1 beep, 2 beeps, 3 beeps, 4 beeps. It tells you what it is, like roller stuck or brush is stuck. Side brush stuck. Robots left, right, wheel stuck. Huh. My other one, it would actually give me a deal on my app. It would alarm me. Well, this will do that or not. But we'll test it out. 50 bucks. We'll test it out for a couple months and do another review on it. Have a great day.